Hey everyone, my name is Styx and I'm a PC optimizer. If you want to achieve higher FPS, lower latency, and lower ping in Fortnite Chapter 6, then this is the perfect video for you. Today we'll be showcasing Styx free tweaking utility to achieve better performance while gaming. Before I get into this tutorial, I want to tell you about a couple tools that will completely optimize your PC in under 10 minutes. You can find these at styxtweaks.com or with the link in the description. These programs fully go in depth in disabling useless features, overclocking, and a bunch of BIOS settings, and adjusting Windows to gain a huge performance increase. Now let's get into this tutorial. The first thing we're going to do is download all the resources that we're going to use in this video. So simply head to Google or whatever browser you use and search up discord.gg/Styx, just like this. And this will redirect you to our Discord server, which has the download link. Once you've joined our server, head over to the programs channel, just like this, and you'll see Styx free utility version 2.0. At the time of this video, if there's a newer version, then make sure to use that one. So simply click this Google Drive link, and then click download anyway. Once that's downloaded the folder, click your Windows key and go to your File Explorer, then Downloads folder, and then you'll see the Styx free utility version 2.0 zip folder. Right click, extract all, extract, and this will extract this folder. So simply open it, and if you feel suspicious about the file being a virus or something, here's a little text document with all the source code, and obviously it's open source so you can check it out. Or you can go to virustotal.com, just like this, and then drag in the batch file. And simply, as you can see, it is not a virus. Even though it says 2 out of 61 detections, these are false positives. You can just head over to behavior page, and right here it'll say no detections found. So once you've got that out of the way, right click the batch file and run as administrator, more info, run anyway. Then make sure to full screen it. Then read this first before proceeding. Once you're done reading, click any key, and then it'll make a restore point. Once you have done that, type 1 and then enter to optimize the Windows registry. And once that is finished, click any key again, and then type 2 to optimize power settings. If you're on laptop and you notice that your system may cause stuttering or overheating after this, just use a restore point, and then when you rerun this program, do not do power tweaks. So type 2, then enter. And then once this pops up, click on Ultimate Performance. Since I have my premium custom power plan, I'm going to use this one since it's better. And you can close this out, and then you are done with the power tweaks. So click enter, go back to the main menu, and then type 3, enter, to optimize the Windows settings, and then type 1 through 6. Once you have finished all 6, simply type X and then enter again to go back to the main menu. Then you can type 4 to clean temp files and prefetch and all this different stuff that your Windows stores. Once you're done cleaning your temp files, click 5 and then enter. And these are some CPU tweaks. Just like the power tweaks, if you're on a laptop and you notice stuttering or overheating issues, then use a restore point and do not do this one as well. So type 1, enter, and do that all the way through 16. Once you have finished, simply type X, enter to go back to the main menu, and then type 6 for USB tweaks. Then once it has finished USB tweaks, type 7 to disable driver power savings, then click enter. And this may take a little while. So just simply wait and then click enter to go back to the main menu, then 8, and then click your enter key again. And this, if you disable it or click number 1, if you are tabbed into the game, let's say Fortnite, and then you alt tab, you may get a black screen or it may take a couple seconds. So if you don't want that, just type R and that won't. Since I don't care about it, I'll type 1, then enter. And once you are done, type X and then enter to go back to the main menu, and type 9 to optimize your keyboard and mouse. Once you're done then, type 10 to debloat Windows, and just wait for this to finish. Once it is completed, you can go back to the main menu to keep proceeding on with this program. So simply type 11 for latency tweaks. And once that is done, go to 12 to optimize your memory, and then do 1 through 6. Once you're here, you're going to type the number for the amount of RAM you have. If you don't know how much RAM you have, type 0, then enter, and open Task Manager, go to Performance, Memory, and right here it will say either like 16 or 32, 64 gigabytes, or something like that. So you can close this, and since I have 32 gigabytes, I'm going to type 6. Then enter. And once you have done that, you can do 2 through 6. Once you've finished all of them, you can type 13 to scan for corrupt files, and you can either type 1 or 2, or do both. And once you have finished, type X. Then if you're an NVIDIA user, type 14 and do not type 15. But if you're an AMD user, type 15 and do not type 14. If you don't know where you are, right click your taskbar, Task Manager, Performance, GPU, and it will say either NVIDIA or AMD Radeon. Since I'm AMD, I'm going to do 15 and not 14. So type 15 or whatever you are, and then click enter. Once you are done, you can go back to the main menu and then type 16 to disable recall. You can type 17 to disable Microsoft Copilot. This is like ChatGPT, but for Microsoft, which we do not want. So type enter. And then you can type 18 to disable Windows telemetry. This is a way of Windows tracking you and sending reports back to Microsoft for them to improve their systems. So type 18, then enter. Once you are done, right click the Windows icon at the very bottom, shut down or sign out, and then click restart for all the changes to apply. If you notice a performance increase at all, consider checking out our website at stickstweaks.com to fully optimize your PC for a huge performance increase. We have tons of reviews, as you can see right here. You scroll all the way up through here. And if you found this video helpful at all, go into our general chat and then mention me, just like this, and let me know if this video helped you at all, or just comment down below. I want to thank everyone for watching and have an amazing day.